Grace invites our creativity, our choices, our engagement in the work of healing and renewal. It moves through relationships, not just between God and us, but among people, shaping communities and invigorating love and justice. It's like an ecosystem, not a vending machine where you receive grace by pushing the right buttons, but instead an ecosystem where everything is connected and grace is flowing through participation and nature and care. See, God isn't distant. He's not a judge up there like Zeus throwing down lightning bolts at us, handing out grace from afar. But God is a present companion who suffers with us and works through our pain.